When something sweet, you go lick your mouth. Yes, so ladies and gentlemen, our people, and also I don't sit down, Gidigba. They wait for this particular time on top this show where they call I, the Red, the show where carry solid comedians, will be driver to run this package to totori your evening. Ladies and gentlemen, we always do with the way we do them. 2 segments to celebrate your evening. The laugh out loud and the tori don't wow. Not go anywhere. Sit down so that you go enjoy today's episode on top I, the Red. My name remain Lucky Child, the Otita one on top I, the Red. Ladies and gentlemen, the camera now is going to the man next to me, very, very black in nature, but he know himself. I don't know, I want to understand when they smile.
This turn on, a serious turn on now, so I need to this serious. Anything I do.
Who seriously last to?
Anything. No, sir, I know they not change be everything. I just have to change. And I'm changing. My name is MC Shaggy. Comedian of the Federal Republic of the... Why they come out me now?
You don't talk about finished. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the man we did next round. Very, very sploofic, handsome comedian with too many titles and rank. Now I don't know which one I want again because it's not too plenty.
And humble.
And humble.
Yeah.
Shakara, if you humble, man, why?
May you yellow.
Shakara, if you humble, man, why?
No, may you yellow.
Shaggy, please.
Yeah.
Humble.
First way humble, they wear cap.
Humble and diligent in the things of the Lord.
Oh,
wow! Oh my God!
I want to at this time.
Now your church does scatter.
See, I'm not a religious person. I'm just a Christian.
Oh my!
I want to at this time speak to someone.
Oh my God!
Say it, brother.
Just because you're watching I Read today, your life will never remain the same.
Amen.
Your life will be full of laughter because you laugh when you watch this show.
Amen.
That's why you laugh. They go, but if they laugh, they walk out for road. It's madness.
Yeah.
But you laugh when there is something that makes you laugh.
Yes.
And God will give you a reason to laugh.
Yes, sir.
So therefore, welcome to I Read. My name now, MC Shakara.
Oh my God! Yeah, man. Clap for you. There is a change.
There's a big change.
Emoji. Let me be that man song. Great change since you born again.
There's a great change.
Since you
was born, you.
But can Nigeria sing this song confidently?
No.
That great change since Buhari come. There is a can we really sing this song confidently?
Yeah, we can sing it.
Yeah,
We can
that's
sing
the
it.
question.
And say great change since Buhari.
The great never enter. Now only
Okay, we just say small.
the man say the
change.
bring change small.
Some change.
Some change.
Anything don't really change.
My brother, things change.
My brother, things change.
Things don't hard.
Things change.
Not the last week here, they say, water. This one, yeah, my brother is here. Even water now. I say they say pure water. 20 naira now.
My brother,
For
seriously.
Waiting.
No, now you know say
Is
change is
that we are bringing back the austerity measure?
my brother, you are there. Yes, yeah.
Things are really going
yes,
well.
you know, during the 80s that time, as head of state, I was telling mention I want tea where the guys are be away. Maybe say when the tea they red, don't make begin cry. I say travel, now the other party man just plan bloodless school. So but not come back home. But the other party man call open border, things called the happy, come be shop, I shop. Now they don't need to come for that guy.
Chop I chop.
Bless it. But this time now democracy. The guy go do your turn, no finish. Nobody go fit tell and say, bros, come on for you.
No, he must do and finish.
He must do and finish.
One thing we had fear now, the light matter. You know, say most the poor man and rich man for light bill are the same.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
You
Job like grave. Anybody
you
they
know,
go
like,
the same way.
But why be that? Why not be like
Why
say,
you go refer to
tariff?
grave?
Rich or poor, they see that place.
You know, Shaggy, you know things say they're supposed to do something like people where they live for Banana Island.
Yes.
You know, those kind of know say these are men.
Yes.
You understand?
It's
Their
capital
tariff
letter.
Good day, high.
supposed they higher than
Those-
the man where they
They
live
for
for Mushin.
mainland.
Yes,
or
like me when they stay
Agege.
for Yeshana, your tariff go high pass my own. You went there for
No be that
island.
type. No be that type
You
of
don't want
island.
that company.
So you understand?
Yeah, not true. Yes, Shakara, they need to look into that.
Yes. Like your own tariff go see eye too. You know, so they stay for satellite.
I'm a guy.
Satellite. You can't even put light
They
on
make
top.
us confusion. Don't you hear me like that?
But
They don't live
seriously,
like that, I mean.
but seriously, you know, say there's one English word say there is a light at the end of the tunnel. Maybe as
but we have been in this tunnel
Tunnel
for too long.
for a very long
If
time.
this Nigeria situation is a tunnel, that tunnel must be a very long tunnel.
That are big tunnel.
no matter how long the tunnel, light go shine one day, abi?
Yes, now.
Well. You know, say some kind things they happen, and I don't know, Shaggy. We go so enter laugh at last segment, and then Shaggy saying get one paro way in want to arrange us or laugh at that.
You know, say this our program. We always come with different things, unique things. But this one, laugh at loud. This one, the matter not be here. But different things they happen. A real big change, yeah. Just because one guy just admire cadet person, a military cadet.
Okay, military, females, okay.
Say you're looking beautiful. I don't know, say to tell person you're beautiful, not crime.
Serious?
Oh boy, see slap.
What?
You know,
No, you can't slap. More watch the video, I think.
Okay, maybe if you watch the video, we'll go get it to one year more.
Oh boy,
Yeah, we'll see the
slap.
video, we'll see the video.
Squat down.
I'm telling Augusta is beautiful. Go.
And
Watch watch MTV and see the beauty in her.
Exactly. Are you a bastard? You're dodging my slap. Come now, exactly. Honey. Are you touching it? You have emotions. I will death your mother. Come. Am I beautiful? Look at me. Wait, dude. What is beautiful about me? Next shade is that face.
And
You see,
I think
waiting concern slap and beautiful for this one. Say we tell a lady say you are looking beautiful.
normally,
No, say since that day when I see this thing, I'd be they carry all these people before.
okay, for road.
I they carry them for road, they help them. No,
Even
no,
myself. See, waiting me I know of ladies. This word, you are beautiful.
Compliment. You know
Na
that
compliment, oh.
Yes, now.
Because once you tell me you are beautiful, even the one wey no say na just toast you want toast her, you go still say thank you, thank you. Then the one wey no say she no too fine, you can't tell her say you are beautiful because she lie, you like.
Yeah,
you understand?
yeah. Because they like that compliment.
But you know, see some women, if you take and go, some women get one kind temperament inside them.
Maybe 90, now
Not
do
tell
all
me
this
say,
lady
you are
gets
beautiful.
it.
Come on, stop.
Not tell me.
Not tell me that
Me
rubbish.
I look mirror, I know some why they can't tell me so beautiful. Now they lie, give me, I know myself. Don't tell me I'm beautiful when I'm not.
The army cadet, no say she ugly.
No, but no, she's not ugly. Oh. She get
fine.
height. Now one quality of a fine woman.
She
Her face, we see her face. The face fine.
No,
But maybe,
she
Shakara, one
fine.
thing we I think, maybe, you know, say for army, they train them on different things. Maybe they train some to they carry the gun. They train some to slap. So she don't date nobody to
slap.
warm the hand. Because a good day, that's not a reason to beat somebody. But she need to slap somebody.
you know say
You
normally.
understand? Now she asked the guy now,
see,
am I beautiful? On a good day, a very responsible guy say, yes, you are. I'm beautiful, Abi. Waka.
Normally,
You know, and the
normally.
serving was...
normally, you know say the army uniform, it is very intimidating, and most of them where they wear the uniform, some of them they over carry that uniform. For example, you go see army man where we say, you know, if you just tell how are you, you know, normal like
Yes.
you know
Because of that uniform.
Yes, now you just say. Good afternoon. How are you? You know, disrespect. How
Yes.
can you
Come you
just
ask
see
me,
an
how are you?
officer? And but meanwhile, now just
That's why they are greeting.
know,
That's why they are
Shakara, this thing when they talk, don't take me, but this one is my own experience.
thank God that you get story today.
When are they serve for? When are they do a promo? You know when some company do promo, when the cover bear do this and that. So then for worry, so I did one redemption center where they do one. Some army there that time militants they do all this thing. I mean. The me and they play well. Now that I know say they change like Camelo. My brother just Oga, good morning. You know look sound the way it happen just from free mind.
Okay, now you tell the man like that.
I say you don't look sound and look me. You mad? Are you mad? Get up. As I get up, I confess fear. I say about this man. Oh boy, you don't see where slap the me person leader.
just slap you like that straight.
Whoa! Now so I find where that ground be like temple. Now so I lead down
Oh my
there.
God.
Now he say come ask and say wait, come ask me what he happen. I can't tell. I say just like that.
Now if this
And I
one
will
don't
consider I
say
get up.
if army slap you, you go not say police na your friend.
Jesus.
And that joke gonna say I'm in slap as he don't go. Yeah,
I never forget that place, oh.
I
Nademo
want to submit
Road.
my CV.
Now, Madema Road for worry now.
All right, guys. Now the laugh without truly, I know so many of us now see that video. So especially women, they go real say that lady overdo am. So
No,
if you feel
you overdo am. And to add to it, before we go on our break, I read the story from the boy. I even watch interview, live interview. Okay. The boy comes to say that now when they punish him, say they call him, making him run from one distance within 5 seconds. You understand? Say now that place where they punish him. So now they ask him, say this lady, is she beautiful?
On a good day, that's
even the lady comes to tell and say run from that place 3 seconds.
You understand? He can say yes. Not be saying just see
the lady
officer you are beautiful.
Now they ask.
So
she asked.
So going by the story of the Bible, I believe that's injustice to humanity.
Yes.
You understand? So
yes.
So ladies and gentlemen, Shakara don't now say that na injustice.
I won't go into law, but let's just leave it.
Yes.
Because I want to quote the law under the constitution of the subsection versus subsection lucky child do your
and the year of the subsection now go let us go break. When we come back we go in here on top Torido Wawa go see coin that matter enter Torido Wawa. Ladies and gentlemen, leaders where you dey we dey come back now I dey red. Yes, so welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, our better people. Thank God on not move go anywhere because the time too short for now to move. Right about now, we don't enter the Torido Wawa.
Chris, yes. some very little sign to know say madness is close to you. It's that kind of sign where we say you try sing like the opera Torido.
Shakara.
You know say madness.
That's why you talk like blind. So you consider you mean they near the madness.
No. There are some symptoms, you know.
Okay. God will forgive on that.
So lucky time, what we'll do is that when we finish this program, they go get who I want greet for Yaba, that left side. You follow me. So I will say you go inside to help me bring something. You know, so after they take drops from my
so if nobody say you be my guy, I'll tell you say waka.
No. Let me tell you truth. You know, say people where they notice, say family people notice, like say this guy nowhere. If they tell and say come, make we go psychiatric. No. You know go agree.
And Shaggy.
Just,
now who know where inside to rent that Torido Wawa?
I know. Wait.
Now, who know?
Don't worry now.
I wish they know.
I am here with you. No Torido Wawa pass this madness issue. Just listen. Now to carry the person put the same motor like this. Now they reach down here and tell us, say, I bet me enter this office. Tell the woman say me give you ruler. So as you enter, the doctor know they expect you. So when I say, Monku say give me ruler.
Exactly. Like the code with that.
Sit down. When last before you know they shift in here.
I know my beg.
I say make I just enter lucky small because now he always bring Torido Wawa and I say himself. Making what small. But ladies and gentlemen, Tori where we work today, in fact, I don't know whether I will pass with you done this before. Because normally, divorce, I never see where person divorce a wife, say, maybe because say, she too fat, or she too slim, or she gets small bobby, or she gets small bumbo. But this very man, he divorcing wife, say, because the man get small bobby. We don't know whether I get reason. But we hear the story. If you get any reason, we go no. And then we come back.
Okay, nice.
Low pillow.
We go no. I go talk. Yes, so truly that Torido will not be like to Rubeke. Hey, husband go divorcing wife because she gets small bobby. Oh, make on hear this one. Soji Ibrahim, na the guy name will be 35 years old. Now trader EB said that is it is say pepper, it is say tomato and every. The lady wey marry and Rashidat. The lady they always they come buy pepper and tomato for this guy and anytime she come, her front they very packaged and the guy called the believe say this package front have to be for him. Because of that reason, this guy called marry Rashidat. But when they come marriage, enter inside house, Ibrahim come shock to discover say Rashida be wear artificial Bobby put for front. That is, she besoke waiting to be her own. Where the guy go remove things just to make the ministry things, he come discover say the Bobby is small like Agbalumo. And the guy shout, "Chai! I cannot take this. The reason I marry you now because of Big Bobby. Since that Bobby no dey, this marriage must break." Now so this guy verse carry this wife go court, the marriage is scatter. Bobby is small.
They're supposed that case, you supposed to carry that case go EFCC.
Yes,
EFCC.
because now
fraud. That is a fraud.
Na fraud.
Total fraudulent acts.
Bobby was small.
Small.
But will you have preferred your wife to have small Bobby or small Bumbo?
Small bonbon.
No, two of them I don't mind already, so you already have your package.
My package. So
Moderate,
like you now.
best.
No, the question is thrown to you. You go
yes, because we would not get our own like
get
what
our
you
own, get what you
So
get.
will you prefer?
Same to like you, just like the one you get.
But wait,
something like that.
Shakara, this guy now divorcing wife because the wife gets small Bobby. But more look into the thing, the story. The guy they sell pepper and tomatoes. Anytime the girl come by, in the admire the girl. She he tell the girl say, "Now this your front. Let me want marry you."
No, meanwhile, many people, they know they tell person.
You not tell them so.
And many marriages where you see today.
But from the story, I know to say he tell him.
No.
He let her know say they like Big Bobby.
Okay.
Let her know say
Because
they like
to
Big
me, the
Bobby.
lady won't get confidence. I know most of them, that thing give them confidence.
Before the guy married, they know Sanchez. Nothing.
My brother, bless you, man, you know the same school, though.
That make it a good. That make some
No,
of these pastors where they tell us.
the scripture told us that
there should be
the
a sound
bed
check.
undefiled.
No, it must not be for bed. You know, feel for parlor. Maybe stand in one side.
God have mercy, so you don't understand the scripture, this boy.
We're not define bed.
You
understand?
Oyibo wey do back seat for car, no be mumu. When I understand. At least for 50
Well, they don't they prepare for Trump. The reason why, funny reason why men and women they divorce each other for marriage. Now we enter so man really divorcing wife because small Bobby, but we go still touch that matter well, but we won't try touch all of them because like a divorce matter we won't really and do well today. Like I say now special edition for
Divorce edition.
So we are not encouraging it.
I reject divorce from the family of my friends.
Oh my
Yes,
God.
and we also reject it from you.
Now today Shakara
Before you go divorce, why they reject the divorce from me?
We reject in advance for you.
Okay. I won't enter the next gist. This one, they're very, very funny too. This time now, wife. So wife divorced her husband because of husband. Make her enter my own way. May not be like say, and they jump the God. Still on husband matter. Husband divorcing wife because he see the wife they watch football match inside TV. That is the man they watch football match for TV. You can't see him wife inside the TV. We go watch the football match for the venue.
Okay,
now divorce her. So when we hear the story, we go come back on the matter. Yeah, so truly now still on the matter of authority or what. This one another story we want my people. Man go divorce his wife because he see his wife for TV where the wife they watch football match. One Saudi man don't divorce his wife instanta when he see the wife for inside TV they watch football match for inside London according to one newspaper reported. The man they watch the TV for in house inside the where day as they watch am now he see his wife where they jump up and for TV they celebrate the club where they support. Now the man say sure this woman will say go school based on scholarship level because she get university scholarship to go school for Britain. Quickly now the man carry phone he call phone his wife as he phone the wife now she pick am. Now the man ask am where are you? She say I dey for the football field I dey watch match with my friends. Now the man say now that thing they do okay. That moment now the guy tell am say I divorce you right here on the phone without break. Oh, what a quick way of divorcing. Honestly spoken. That's called divorce online.
No.
Divorce by phone.
I am not happy about that case because I'm a football lover.
Yeah, football fan, football lover.
Me too. I am. Shaggy, are you a football lover?
No, I don't like football.
Yeah, you table tennis lover?
No.
Yeah.
No, I don't
And
like
only
comedy lover.
for Obodo Yibo, this kind of thing happen because For Nigeria, even men know they go watch ball. Talking about woman, you don't see where
For your woman to watch ball, you go dey very
and
happy.
Atlant they play. You go to see empty
seats.
Empty seat. There are men who they even go watch. Talking about woman. If now for Nigeria, 9% wife go watch ball, you go and call not be divorced. What did they do? You want me to break your head?
Yes, it's more of carrying down.
But funny enough, we done the peak. People don't they go watch ball these days. You know, so that may not be like say and they try to discourage people where they go. People don't they go watch. Because I watch Enyimba and Warri Wolf last year. The stadium full. Let's try for TV now. So people don't they go.
So that means Nigerians now don't they go stadium, go watch Nigerian Premier League now.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So that means I bet go any Nigerian man where don't begin watch Nigerian Premier League. If I thought you see your wife for the stadium, they watch ball. Make you just congratulate her, say she they help the Nigerian growth of Nigerian football. Not be this man where you go to divorce wife because he see the wife inside TV. Why?
Shakara, when you talk of football piece, so you don't go national stadium.
Yeah, National Stadium, the one in Surulere, yeah?
Surulere.
Yeah. We have a lot of beer parlors in the stadium. You know, so that when you know, people say, I get can when you run,
I said that when I see alligator.
No.
You don't know
Alligator. That place,
Not even funny pitch. Animals, they enter field. We don't watch match, but we see a small school.
No say no, that one, we no say they run.
They come inside.
This one,
This
the alligator just did the old boy see life.
But the alligator mine a swamp in there.
Old boy see life.
All right, yes. Truly, we are really with a beg. Mo is the word.
No, with a beg.
The divorce no good. And see the
not
reason.
good.
The reason them now waiting small pikin go here, go first for the adults there.
And for abroad, all those things happen now. For Nigeria.
I make us use the
Divorce.
opportunity.
Divorce
to beg.
dey-
And before we even touch everything, you know, say now what divorce day we don't do.
Yes,
So
now.
you get one like so
No,
we-
divorce now everywhere now.
You still get another divorce case.
No,
Why not carry divorce story come place?
Oh boy, my brother.
address the
We need
issue.
to just start with the divorce. But now they're going to divorce themselves. And the issue when I get for ground, we say a very simple issue. We say yes, and I see divorce issue for
Very
that side.
simple issue.
Because man, no sense of men. Because like say this one and for Nigeria, this will happen. Wife divorce husband because of football match.
the same football match opposite this time.
You know, say you get some men, then they use football play.
They go use
No,
am
that
forget
one-
family.
complain.
that one dey very common.
Common
That one
for
dey very
this,
common.
uh-huh.
I don't even see man wey be say come back, he go watch man call the club Chelsea match for viewing center. You know those kind of people
Why
wey
you no
no
call
get.
Arsenal? Why you call Chelsea?
No, this one na
Shaggy,
true. This one na true
Shaggy,
life
go hear the
story.
story.
You go
Come
back,
back,
you
come
go
back,
back.
we
Leave
are your
Shakara
gist.
first.
Okay.
Mo
You
hear
go
the
back,
story.
you they call Chelsea, you call Arsenal.
They call Chelsea.
11. No, call your club.
Na this one na true life story.
Yes, so Tori must always the wawa because when man they alive, you go always see things to talk. Still on this issue of divorce, this time on, na wife can't go divorce husband because of football match. Tony Adisa, na 32 years old man, when his wife Adijat don't divorce because this husband he promised the wife say he no go ever watch football match again. Sake of say anytime when he go watch football match, if then defeat the club when they support, he go carry verse come out. His face go swell up like Suma Rock. When the wife come begin to talk to him, he go take that annoyance stay to beat the wife. Sake of say in team lose match. Why it be like that? The lady they bear her, they bear her. She not fit bear her again. Now she call carry the husband go court to end the marriage. Sake of say now 2 times now she don't get black eye and she be yellow woman. Honestly spoken.
I tell you, say this thing go be Nigeria. This
Oh, now they challenge me because I say Chelsea. This what be the difference between this the story now. They don't give us the whole breakdown and my experience. We experience. So you don't
So you are talking
because the guy
Talk
come back
experience.
that time when we say before they sack Mourinho, where Chelsea lose like 20 matches at
Yes,
the stretch.
yes.
I've been at 42 matches, they lose 7.
If you like 1 million match, we hear your story. Yeah.
When the man call the comeback, then the woman come say, Chelsea City lose. If you feel slap. Because she knows say that they lose. And I say, come on, come again. Chelsea City lose.
Okay, that
She
means
nearly lose her job.
that means for the woman to divorce the husband on this ground. Now because of the beats where the husband they beat him. All right. So the advice
Like,
they give is
the thing they
though
happen
you
steady.
love football, love your family as well. Because football and family now the same kind of passion they pour. But let your family own day heavy than the football. Because the football they chop their money.
I also tell them family should understand if you love football. Because I can't be watching football then you just come
All right,
because the
ladies and
wife can't
gentlemen.
change station.
That na shakara problem.
Ladies and gentlemen, our viewers, them, we know some two will contribute to this matter on top what divorce they buy. I the red crew today. Make you quickly run, go our social media platform for our Twitter and the way be at I the red so that you feel talk more on top this of our gist will relate on top divorce matter them. And if you go our Facebook page as well, I the red, and YouTube, watch our video them so that you go enjoy our parole, not be lie, not be lie. Ladies and gentlemen, and so we dey do am on top I the red every of the weekend where they sit down bagada.
Why you be say time no day? When to read on the sweet us, time we just dey run.
Brother,
Why is it that time does not wait for
My
someone?
brother, we don't know.
But we'll wait for time next episode.
My brother, maybe that is it. So ladies and gentlemen, Shakara told us so that's what it be. Make una keep watching, keep following at I the red. 9 be the Twitter handle. Shaggy.
I know they beg. If you not watch I the red, if you not watch him, I beg na joke at it.
I don't say that they go head down. So which platform made them follow us on that
Just
one?
follow our Facebook at I the red. I
For
beg.
Facebook, Shakara,
Facebook,
like, which one?
Follow us for everywhere. Both Facebook, YouTube, yeah, anywhere where you see us. Even though you see us for road, waka, follow us for back. You will still get enjoyment.
You know where? Hola, bye bye.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
As we